Hi there! In this video, we'll go over how to work with the main screen in the Slimrate POS system, and we'll learn how to quickly find the reports you need. Let's start with the date filter. You can choose the exact time period you want to review, or set specific dates manually. On the right, you'll also find ready-made options: today, yesterday, last week, last month. Click Apply, and you'll see the data for your selected period. This is especially useful when you want to check the results of a promotion or review a day with peak sales. Now let's move on to the reports. The date you selected earlier will also be shown here. The reporting section is a full list of reports that cover your business needs. At the top of the screen, you'll see the categories. Let's go through them. Item sales shows how many units of each product were sold, helps you find best sellers, and spot items that don't sell well. Great for inventory control. Sales by category groups your sales by category. For example, drinks, food, electronics. Helps you see which categories perform best. Tax shows all collected taxes, includes totals, rates, and categories. Useful for reporting and accounting. Employee shows sales by each staff member. Also lists discounts they gave and their shifts. Helps measure performance and spot issues. Discounts lists all discounts applied, which products, how much, and who gave them. Helps you track promotions. Costs shows the cost of goods sold. Helps you calculate real profit and make smarter pricing decisions. And that's it. Reporting is simple and powerful. Use it to make data-driven decisions and manage your business more effectively. Thanks for watching.